Hello and welcome to ScandiPWA Weekly Community Session with Agencies. It's Alex here today with you, and we have 4 main highlights from the past week that every agency would be interested to learn about. And starting with the first highlight, the Mutagen and Mac support is finally here. We are going to check this highlight in a moment, but before that we also have 3 other interesting topics to cover. The ScandiPWA team is revealing plans. So last week our front-end lead Alfreds shared the community video where he's talking about ScandiPWA future and our short-term goals and plans. A lot of interesting insights. We're going to check what's inside this video. And then we have a new release. ScandiPWA 2.12.1 is here. We're going to check what's inside this recent release. And finally, the very anticipated update, the ScandiPWA Extensions 101 video, a new workshop video has been just released, and we are going to touch this topic as well during today's session. So without further ado, let's move on to our first highlight. So ScandiPWA team is revealing plans. If you are following our regular weekly community sessions with developers, you already know Alfred. So last Friday, Alfred released a new videos where he's talking about ScandiPWA short-term plans and goals. So here we can see the video. The link is added to the description section below, and the breakdown is following. Alfred is announcing a new maintainer of ScandiPWA core and revealing what will be his role for a certain amount of time in the project. We are now going to focus on stability. The Mutagen is here. Also, in this video, he's sharing some insights related to the our next big update to ScandiPWA 3.x version, the innovations that you will find in the 3.x version, and some insights in general. So if you are interested in ScandiPWA project, go ahead and watch this video. You will find a lot of useful insights shared by Alfreds there. Okay, let's move on to the second highlight for today's session. The Mutagen and Mac support is here. Huge news for a lot of ScandiPWA users. We know that a lot of users are Mac users, and this is something you will be really happy to hear about. Details can be found in our recent update on Medium blog. Here you can find a link, or if you simply open ScandiPWA documentation, docs.scandipwa.com, you'll find detailed instructions how to work with Mutagen and how to set up ScandiPWA theme on Mac. So all you have to do is go to installation section, then choose using Docker, select Mac on Mac, and here it is. Here's the newly uploaded documentation. Make sure to go through it and let us know if you have any questions. Also, feel free to join our Slack to get immediate assistance from ScandiPWA team or other community members. Let us know if you have any questions. So this is regarding the Mutagen and Mac support, and we are ready to jump to the next highlight from the past week. The new release, ScandiPWA 2.12.1, is here. Here in our GitHub page, in the releases section, you can find details. As Alfred's mentioned during the Friday's webinar, the team is now going to focus on improving what was already built, on focusing on stability and fixing some bugs. So this update is all about it. You can see that inside this recent release, we see code style improvements and bug fixes. And if you're interested to learn more, you can open the link. It will be added to the description as well, and you can read the complete feature breakdown. And final and perhaps most interesting topic that we have for today is ScandiPWA Extensions 101. A new workshop video was released. This video was filmed by the new ScandiPWA core maintainer Yegor. So here in this workshop video, we are talking about the extension mechanism. We will going to take a look at a new extensibility functionality, and you will learn some basic concepts of it, as well as we are going to demonstrate you how to implement an extension in ScandiPWA by providing a simple example. So make sure to watch this video. I know that a lot of agencies are extremely interested in implementing extensions in ScandiPWA. So here you can see a real example of how to do that, and basically this is a very anticipated news for a lot of community members. Make sure to ask any questions you have here in the comment section below or directly in our Slack, and let us know what you think about it. So this is it. These were 4 highlights for today's weekly community session with agencies. Let us know what you think. Here is my contact information in case you want to send me an email. Feel free to leave your comments below this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next week. Bye.